Splitting audio files in Brisk Audio. The Split tool in Brisk Audio allows you to divide audio into separate sections. This is especially useful for removing unwanted parts from the middle of a recording, isolating key segments, or creating smaller clips that can be edited individually. To begin, click Edit in the left menu and select Split. At the top right, use the drop-down to select a file, or click Upload Audio File to load a file. On the split page, you must define both a start time and an end time for your split. Click and drag on the waveform to select the segment. Hover over a split line and your mouse will become a double-sided arrow, then click and drag to move the line. You can also enter precise timestamps in the split time and the split time end fields. Once your split points are set, click the Split button. The split audio files will appear at the bottom of the page as independent clips, which you can further edit or manage. Click the Download button to download the selected clip to your device, or click the download link of a clip in the list. For more Brisk audio tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.